Russia has a new weapon in its arsenal, the Wall-E anti-drone system. Named after the beloved Disney robot, this system is anything but cute. Wall-E is designed to combat the growing threat of drones. Mounted on a tracked chassis, it resembles a small tank, equipped with technologies to detect, track, and neutralize enemy drones. Russia sends a clear message: it's taking the drone threat seriously. At the heart of the Wall-E system lies the Fumigator electronic warfare system. This advanced technology disrupts and disables enemy drones. It jams the radio signals drones rely on for communication. Drones within range lose connection to their operator. Wall-E also features a suppression dome. The dome emits electromagnetic pulses to overload drone electronics. This makes Wall-E a formidable adversary against unmanned aerial vehicles. Russia envisions Wall-E playing a crucial role in protecting its ground troops from drone attacks. With its mobile platform, Wall-E can be deployed alongside advancing units, providing a moving shield against aerial threats. This capability is particularly relevant in the context of the Ukraine war. Ukrainian forces have effectively used drones for reconnaissance, targeting, and even direct attacks. Wall-E's ability to neutralize these drones could significantly enhance the safety of Russian troops on the ground. The system's reported battery life of 6 hours further enhances its practicality on the battlefield. This extended operational time allows Wall-E to provide continuous protection during prolonged engagements or while on the move. While Wall-E's effectiveness in real combat scenarios is yet to be determined, its intended purpose is clear. Russia aims to use this system to counter the growing threat of Ukrainian drones and provide its troops with a much-needed layer of protection on the battlefield. Section 4. Drones at War. A new era of conflict in Ukraine. The war in Ukraine has become a proving ground for drone warfare, showcasing its evolving nature. Both sides have employed drones extensively, from small commercial quadcopters to larger military-grade unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Ukraine's use of drones, particularly the Turkish-made Bayraktar TB2, has been particularly noteworthy. These armed drones have successfully targeted Russian tanks, artillery pieces, and supply lines, demonstrating their impact on modern warfare. Russia, initially caught off guard by the effectiveness of Ukrainian drone warfare, has been playing catch-up. It has deployed its own drones for reconnaissance and attack missions and invested in counter-drone technologies like Wall-E. The widespread use of drones in Ukraine highlights their growing significance in modern conflicts. Drones offer a relatively inexpensive and versatile tool for intelligence gathering, targeting, and even direct attacks. This increasing reliance on drones has driven the development of countermeasures like Wall-E, shaping a new era of warfare. Section 5. Countering the drone threat, Russia, and Ukraine's arsenal. The proliferation of drones in the Ukraine war has led to a parallel development, a technological arms race focused on countering them. Both Russia and Ukraine have deployed an array of anti-drone measures, each with varying degrees of sophistication. Russia, in addition to Wall-E, relies on electronic warfare systems like the Krasuka-4. This truck-mounted system is designed to jam communication and GPS signals, disrupting drone operations over a wider area than Wall-E. Ukraine, for its part, has employed a more diverse range of counter-drone tactics. These include using conventional air defenses to shoot down drones, deploying mobile jamming systems, and even employing snipers trained to target drone operators. The effectiveness of these various counter-drone measures remains a subject of debate. The dynamic nature of drone warfare requires constant adaptation and innovation from both sides. The development of systems like Wall-E highlights the ongoing efforts to gain an advantage in this technological arms race. Section 6. The future of warfare. Will Wall-E make a difference? The introduction of Wall-E raises questions about its potential impact on the battlefield and the future of drone warfare. While its technical capabilities seem promising on paper, its real-world effectiveness remains to be seen. The fog of war, with its unpredictable and chaotic nature, will be the ultimate test for Wall-E. Furthermore, the development of countermeasures is inevitable. As with any new technology, the emergence of systems like Wall-E will likely spur the development of new tactics and technologies designed to overcome them. The future of warfare will undoubtedly be shaped by the ongoing interplay between drones and counter-drone technologies. Systems like Wall-E provide a glimpse into this future, where the battle for control of the skies takes on new dimensions. Only time will tell if Wall-E will be a game changer or simply another pawn in this evolving chess match of technology and warfare.